Hi! Today I'll show you how to set up proxies in OctoBrowser step by step. Let's get started. To set up DataImpulse proxies in OctoBrowser, install the browser, create an account, and log in. Proxy settings are configured separately from profiles to easily add, remove, or assign multiple proxies. Go to the Proxy section, click Add Proxy, and input your proxy details. Next, set up DataImpulse proxies by entering the address, port, and user credentials. They must be the same as in the DataImpulse dashboard. Enable Check Proxy to verify functionality, then click Confirm. Now you can add multiple proxies, assigning them to different profiles. Simply create the new profiles via the Create Profile option in the Profile section. Customize your profile by adjusting settings like user agents, cookies, and hardware or software options. Assign the proxy via the Proxy or Connections tab within the profile. Once configured, click Start to launch a Chromium browser instance with assigned proxy. And that's the final step. Thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe, and keep in touch for more useful videos with DataImpulse. Take care and see you in the next videos.